Not even the depths of hell could have forged a diamond this special.
Alright, y'all, what up? We back. I was supposed to make that left, but with these kind of trucks, it doesn't really work out so well. So sometimes you gotta take the long way around, even though it adds a couple minutes to your day, just to stay on the main road for safety. So, let's see. We're coming up on Connecticut 195 South. I think we're almost to Yukon right now, if I'm not mistaken. I think there's like a 7-Eleven or a Cumberland Farms or something like that on this road here down at the bottom, maybe, if memory serves me correctly. And if it is, I know I'm home free because I know exactly where I'm at. I know exactly where I'm going, and I know exactly what roads to avoid and what roads are safe for me to take. So that's the perk of running the same route every day. Not the same route, but very similar route, or the area every day. You tend to know where some things are, at least, so that way you have an idea. So, but good morning. Yeah, it's a crazy one today. It's supposed to snow all the way till like 7 a.m. tomorrow or something. But at least where I am up north, my drive tires are starting to kick out on me. Yeah, that's kind of scary. Tractor starts getting sideways, you gotta be careful. Easy on the throttle. Switch it to manual mode. So the truck doesn't try to switch gear, lose momentum. Yeah, just wanna keep on keeping on, you know. Whatever gear you're in, just stay in it. You see the plow truck, we're over here because of all that snow that's on the side, but they didn't spread any salt. Yeah. Oh, here it goes. Speaking of which, I think that truck is spreading salt. It has like half a I don't know what you call that, half a bed full of rock salt. Yeah, if we are where I think we are, I would stop and get food. I got fuel earlier, but I would stop and get food. I'm hungry, I haven't eaten, but I will just stick it out. And yep, we're almost to Yukon right now. So I'll just stick it out until I get home. Maybe make some soup with some grilled cheeses or something. Not tomato soup, I want chicken soup. Make some grilled cheeses. Yeah, if the roads up here weren't so bad, you know, I would definitely consider stopping on. Ooh, getting sideways. So I'm in 4th gear right now. So yeah, so let me know how your day is going. My day is going pretty good. On my way home, just got done with my last delivery. And just cruising along, singing my song. Speaking of singing my song, if y'all know this song, what is it? White Christmas by the Drifters. Oh my God, buy it. Like the exact version that they played in the Home Alone movie with Macaulay Culkin. That was, or is, my Christmas song. That's like my go-to Christmas my go-to Christmas song. So I wish I could play it without getting a copyright strike. So I was gonna single a little jangle, sample a little jangle. But yeah, dang, people are already shoveling. That's crazy. Yeah, see, if I was in my Subaru, I wouldn't be nervous, but snow with the rigs is never fun, ever. Because it's so unpredictable. One of your tires catches your tractor, the other one doesn't, and the side of your tractor starts kicking out. And you're like, yeah, let's avoid that next time by just staying our butts home. You know? But like I said, it was the last delivery of the day, so I'm just cruising along, hill climbing right now. If I get on flat ground or maybe some spots where I'm facing downhill, I might stop off and double check my headlights, make sure that the snow isn't covering them. And I'm losing traction, that's why I'm going quiet, just so I can concentrate. So we're up in the farmlands right now. We should be approaching the Yukon dairy farm here on the left. I forgot the name of it. It's something. I can't remember right now. Maybe Stearns Family Farm or something. But they got really good milk here. Like, really good. So when I go to like 7-Eleven and stuff, they have their strawberry milk is like to die for. It's amazing. If you guys, I think it's like Mountain Dairy Farms by the Stern family or some baby. I don't know. I could be way off on that. I really could be. So, whatever, if you guys are ever in the area, and you get a chance to check it out, please do so. But yeah. Chugging along. Ooh, there's a lifted Subaru behind me. Let's go. That boy got some big tires. Let's go. Start braking a little bit. Want to stop and say hello. I don't know. But yeah, so this is how today's turning out. So I think my camera might overheat, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut it off now, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Later.